Hey guys, it's Russell and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be testing and reviewing the Super Clean all wheel cleaner. I'm going to do this test on two different styles of wheel. You see the painted wheels that we have here on this vehicle, and we're also going to be doing it on the aluminum wheels on another vehicle. Both of these have not been cleaned in over 6 months. They've got super heavy grime, brake dust, road film, and it's nasty. So the instructions say to spray the wheel first with cool water, which we'll do. And then we'll take the Super Clean, spray it all over the wheel. We'll let it sit for about 30 seconds. See what happens. All right, so we're coming up on about the 30-second mark. I'm gonna take a regular, just a long handle. This is a wheel brush. It's got about 3-inch long bristles. And I'm not gonna use any soap on it at all. I'm just gonna wet it like that. And then we'll just get this in here. Now, probably if your wheels weren't this bad, you could get away with just rinsing it, but it's good to do a little agitation on wheels that are this disgusting. Wow. Okay. And I'm gonna rinse it off. So there is a tiny little bit of residue right here in the corners or the edges. So I'm just gonna get that area just one more time and get the lug nuts because I didn't brush those very good. And we'll let that sit for another 30 seconds. All right, so we're at the 30-second mark. So I'm just gonna take this and, oh yeah. So that gets in the edge really nice. Also the lug nuts. All right, so 100% that is clean. All right, so let's go back to the rear wheels. I'm gonna use a different style brush. They're really super dirty as well. And I'm gonna show you a different brush that we will use with the Super Clean. All right, so these are called deep dish wheels. And I'm gonna be using this brush right here. This is called a rat's tail brush or a raccoon brush, whatever you wanna say. It's good for getting in deep areas like this. I'm gonna rinse this off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Super Clean. And this allows me to get all the way, pretty much the depth of the whole wheel. Now these bristles are very, very flexible. Try to get in between the lug nuts. Let's spray it off. Oh wow. All right, that is clean. All right, so let's go to a wheel that's an aluminum wheel that's completely different. All right, so here's one of our aluminum wheels that we're gonna test. I'm gonna spray it with water. Wow. Hopefully you can see the amount of gunk right there that's coming off. Unbelievable. All right, so I want to tell you guys, I am super impressed with this wheel cleaner. As I said before, you guys know I'm not a huge fan of cleaning wheels with harsh chemicals. I don't know what the pH of this is, but normally to remove a lot of the road film and grime and brake dust, you need a very high alkaline cleaner. If you're using a different type of wheel material, sometimes they will use an acidic cleaner. But I will tell you that I was a little nervous, especially using it on the painted wheels, because I didn't know how strong this was going to be. But it didn't do anything at all to the paint. They're still shining. Obviously it cleaned both the aluminum and the painted wheels, and I can't remember the last time these wheels were as clean as this. Like I said, I pretty much just use a pH neutral car soap, and you can get a lot of the grime off, but you can't get all of it. There's always that nasty film. So I am 100% sold on this stuff. And being that this is the first time I've ever used the Super Clean wheel cleaner, I'm very impressed. So I'll stick a link down in Amazon for this, and if I can find a link for the 2 brushes that I used, I will do that as well. And I will see you guys on the next video.